Hi everyone, this is Sharan here. Welcome back to my channel. I am a trader in Nifty and Bank Nifty, and as you have seen that I keep trading and then I try and explain the basic, simple techniques and methods that I follow in the markets. Keep following me on my YouTube channel so that you will be able to get to know a lot of simple yet efficient trading setups that can give you good amount of money in the markets. Okay, let's get into the market. Let's understand the basic structure first, as we always do, and then get into the day's setup. Now, if you look at it, this is basically the Bank Nifty uh, chart. I'm open in the daily format. Now, as we had already mentioned in the previous few videos, that this is a support region. Why? Because this was kind of a resistance which has now become into a support. Yet this still this particular thing is not taken out. It's going to be a little vulnerable. You always need to keep this in mind. And being tomorrow Wednesday and coming Thursday being the last expiry day, you need to keep a little eye on this particular area. I'll just mark the area so that it becomes easy for everyone to understand. Yeah, so this is the kind of gap that has been there from a pretty long time, and then the markets are just coming into the gap and trying and filling up and going ahead. So we'll have to wait whether this particular gap is taken out or the markets just move away from here. So this is going to be the ultimate test for the markets in the coming days. Now, having said that, we will get into the days format and then see what we have observed today. This is okay. This is not the one. Yeah. All right. Okay. So I'm going to explain you a very simple basic method that is used by most of the traders, and then you need to wait for this particular setup to occur. Unless and until it doesn't occur, you should not get into the trade. I'll get into the 15 minutes. Just a second. An hour. Sorry, that's my bad. So yeah, this was the kind of resistance becoming support now. You can see the markets are hovering around this particular region, and yesterday and today the markets just moved away from that particular region. Now, if you look at the hourly chart, there is something interesting that you can see here. One is the double bottom formation. Okay, so this is called as a double bottom formation. Usually when the markets come down, make the same lows, this this okay, this low and this low almost similar. Now you cannot expect it to be at the same point, but yeah, somewhere very close by is what you can look at. So once that is done, you need to mark the neckline of the event. So this is the neckline. So the stocks came here, the Bank Nifty came here, moved up, came back to the same level, moved up, and now we have something very interesting. If this tomorrow, or that is on Wednesday 24th of February, it breaks, retest this, and then you can go in for a long. Okay, so if suppose the markets come down, then we'll have to wait and watch what's going to happen. But if the markets tend to continue going up, this is how it should be. The immediate resistance, which is around 34,630 levels, and between 34,857 levels, is where you'll also have to keep a view. Usually what we do is basically the height of this particular thing will be your uh, target price, so which is about 2% from here. So if the markets are good enough for the next couple of days, we can see somewhere around at least 1% move from here. Sorry, this is date range, price range. Yeah, somewhere around these levels is what you can see, which is about 34,800 to 900 levels के आसपास हमको दिखने मिलेगा अगर if markets are positive from tomorrow onwards as well. Continuing the market streak that was there today. Now, today what was very interesting was this particular uh, chart of 5 minutes. I was looking at this particular thing. I did take a trade, but it was a very small trade. I just somewhere understand. No, the money doesn't matter. I always told in the previous videos as well. Let's right now let's understand the markets, and then we will think about our trades. So this is something called as the cup and handle model that was formed today eventually gave a breakout, and then you could see a huge candle, that's a green candle, and giving a good profit for your money. I'll just draw this so that it becomes easy for everyone. This particular thing, which, yeah, this is the cup, and this becomes your handle, and once the price breaks the handle, it moves up. So eventually it gave a good, like 400 points ka move from the point where it broke today in the up and hand move. I hope you understood this particular easy uh, kind of a formation that always helps the bullish guys. Okay, then there were other patterns as well, but this was a very interesting one which I found today, and I did take a trade, I guess, at this particular thing, and then there was one more small trade I took as well. uh, yeah, so that's it from my side. I've already given you the markets to look forward. Now there's one more interesting thing. Oh, just hold on, I'll show you something very interesting that I just found out. If I could mark this particular, is there any chance? Yes, I can. I think I can mark this. Now, what is this? In the 5 minutes chart, if you look at the 5 minutes chart, say from last 18th March onwards, there is a price consolidation. Okay, uh, one, right? So this is the price consolidation. It can give you a breakout or a breakdown, whatever is possible, but that's a different story. When it gives out a breakout, we will take a trade. As of now, what I can see is a kind of a narrow range, not a narrow range, a consolidation range, you could say, because 400 points or 500 points is not a narrow range, I guess. Uh, so this is a kind of consolidation which is happening after the fall that we saw a few days earlier. Now we will wait and see what happens if this particular 34,370 को cross करता है with a good volume. We shall look into buying opportunities again. Having said that, it is your decision. You can please do not take trades on my advice, and please consult your advisor, wealth advisor, before you take any trades. This is just for educational purpose. Let me know any other particular stocks you are interested. You want me to do a bit of analysis on that, and let me know you. Let me do that for you. I'm so sorry. And meanwhile, you can subscribe to my channel. Please support by liking this and sending this to your friends. Um, it makes a great difference in my life. Yeah. Thank you. Keep trading and let me know if there is anything that I can do about it. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.